Okay. Fantastic. All right, we're going to keep reading here. We're on to Anatomy and Physiology, Chapter 1.2. Structural Organization of the Human Body. Learning Objectives. By the end of this section, you will be able to describe the structure of the human body in terms of 6 levels of organization, list the 11 organ systems of the human body, and identify at least one organ and one major function of each. Okay. Before you begin to study the different structures and functions of the human body, it is helpful to consider its basic architecture, that is, how the smallest parts are assembled into larger structures. It is convenient. Where's the camera? The camera's here. I'm looking at the camera. Okay. It is convenient to consider the structures of the body in terms of fundamental levels of organization that increase in complexity: subatomic particles, atoms, molecules, organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organisms, and biosphere. That sounds crazy, but okay. Okay. Oh boy. This shows like a big pyramid. I'll read from the bottom up. Okay, so at the base level, you have the organismal level. Many organ systems work harmoniously together to perform the functions of an independent organism. Organismal level. Organ systems working together, and that's the organism. Then there's the organ system level, like the urinary tract system is an example. 2 or more organs work together closely to perform the functions of a body system. Okay. Next up, we have the organ level. So went from organismal to organ system level, now to organ level. 2 or more different tissues combine to form an organ. It has to be 2 or more tissues? Okay, well, here in the example, they give us the bladder, and it's made of skeletal muscle and smooth muscle. I don't know what those are, but I guess eventually I'll find out. Okay, so we have organismal level, organ system level, organ level. We had some fireworks going on. It was pouring here today. Who's setting off fireworks right now? That's ridiculous. Okay. Organ level, tissue level, tissue level. Smooth muscle tissue is an example. A community of similar cells form a body tissue. Okay, yeah, so it's like a bunch of cells that are the same, similar. They're similar. They don't have to be the same. They just have to be similar. They're racist. They're cell racist. Form a body tissue. Okay, then under that, smaller than that, is the cellular level. A variety of molecules combine to form the fluid and organelles of a body cell. Smooth muscle cell has organelle, cell fluid, organelle. I'm guessing more than that, but that's what it's showing. The organelle and the cell fluid. So this is the cellular level. Then, even smaller than that, we've got water molecules. That's literally just its own category. It's just water molecules. I'm honestly surprised at that. And then there's hydrogen atoms, then the chemical level. Why does water get its own thing? Water is a chemical. So I don't understand that, but okay. Chemical level. Okay. Organismal, organ system, organs, tissue, cellular, water, and then chemical. Okay, yeah, I think I got that. Hope you guys got that too. For real, I don't know if y'all can hear that. Train going by. And Rockets going off. Okay. A human cell typically consists of flexible membranes beep, boop, that enclose cytoplasm, a water-based cellular fluid, together with a variety of tiny functioning units called organelles. In humans, as in all organisms, cells perform all functions of life. Okay. A tissue is a group of many similar cells, right? We went over this, though sometimes composed of a few related types, right? They keep it in the family, that work together to perform a specific function. An organ is an anatomically distinct structure of the body composed of two or more tissue types. I don't know why that is. I guess because if it was only one tissue type, then it would just be tissue. So it's like it has to be two or more working together. That's my only guess there. Otherwise, how would you distinguish it? Each organ performs one or more physiological functions. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform major functions or meet physiological needs of the body. This book covers 11 distinct organ systems in the human body. Assigning organs to organ systems can be imprecise since organs that belong to one system can also have functions integral to another system. In fact, most organs contribute to more than one system. That's interesting. Okay. In this book and throughout your studies of biological sciences, you will often read descriptions related to similarities and differences among biological structures, processes, and health related to a person's biological sex. People often use the words female and male to describe two different concepts. Our sense of gender identity and our biological sex are determined by our chromosomes, hormones, organs, and other physical characteristics. For some people, gender identity is different from biological sex or their sex assigned at birth. Throughout this book, female and male refer to sex only, and the typical anatomy and physiology of XX and XY individuals is discussed. Okay, good to get that out of the way. Oh, okay, we got some pictures. Okay, this is the systems. I can't show these parts, but we can talk about them. So, integumentary system. Integumentary system. I'm going to go with that. Hair, skin, nails. Hey, what's up? Check out my nails. I got them all done up. Don't look at those. You're gross. Integumentary system encloses internal body structures, site of many sensory receptors. Okay, that makes sense, right? We can feel things with our skin, nails. I don't know, does your hair feel stuff? I don't really know if your hair feels stuff. But hi and bye to that person. Then there's the skeletal system, okay? Supports the body, enables movement with the muscular system, all right? So they work hand in hand, but the bones, cartilage, and joints. Okay, good to know. The muscular system, which we just mentioned, enables movement with the skeletal system, helps maintain body temperature. Pretty cool. Really, the muscular system helps maintain body temperature. Okay, that's what it says, so we're going to go with that. Skeletal muscles and tendons. I don't know the difference yet, but we're going to find out. Okay. The nervous system. Okay, so we have the integumentary system, skeletal and muscular. Now the nervous system, because I'm very nervous. Got the brain, you got the spinal cord, you got the peripheral nerves. Okay. Detects and processes. It's processing. That word sounds like nothing to me right now. Processes. Detects and processes sensory information. Activates bodily responses. That's the nervous system. Fantastic. The endocrine system, composed of the pituitary gland, the thyroid gland, the pancreas, the adrenal glands, the testes, and the ovaries. It secretes hormones and regulates bodily processes. Here we go. Fantastic. Cardiovascular system delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues, equalizes the temperature in the body. Okay, I thought the muscular system, it just helps maintain body temperature. The cardiovascular system equalizes temperature in the body. So it's like making sure that it's, hence, right, your extremities have trouble because they don't get as much blood flow. So your extremities have trouble staying hot or warm when it's cold out. This makes sense, okay? I'm connecting real life to this textbook here. Fantastic. So we have the integumentary system, the skeletal system, the muscular system, the nervous system, the endocrine. Farts for the endocrine system, dude. Cardiovascular system, that's 6 right there. But all these glands, I'm not gonna know all these glands yet. Pituitary, thyroid, pancreas. Okay, no, that's important stuff, but yeah, I don't know yet. I'm not there yet. It's okay. That's okay. Ooh. Lymphatic system. Not to be confused with the Limp Biscuit system. That's a whole different thing. The lymphatic system returns fluid to blood, defends against pathogens. Yo, what? Okay, composed of the thymus, the lymph nodes, makes sense, spleen, and lymphatic vessels. Is this like your immune system, basically? That's your immune system. Okay. Is this why the doctor, when he's seeing if you have strep, will always touch here? Are those the lymph nodes? I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, returns fluid to blood. Great. Respiratory. Okay, let's go over the systems so far. Okay. What's that first one? It has the weirdest name. The integumentary. Integumentary system, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic. Now we're on to respiratory. Okay, removes carbon dioxide from the body and delivers oxygen to blood. Sounds easy, right? It's got like 1 job, 2 jobs. Nasal passage, trachea, lungs. That's your respiratory system. Okay. Let's name them all. Integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous system, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, respiratory. Yo, let's go. Shout out. Okay, next up is digestive. Hooray. Processes foods for body to use, for use by the body. Yeah, removes wastes from undigested food. You know it's that corn, okay? Stomach, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine. I can't wait to learn what all these things really do. You know, like really dive in there. Okay, let's name them all. Integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive. Let's go. That's 9. We got them. Next up is urinary, not to be confused with digestive. Controls water balance in the body, removes waste from blood, and excretes them. That's interesting. So digestive system is removing waste from undigested food, okay? But the urinary system removes waste from blood and excretes them. Kidneys, urinary bladder. That's kidney stones come out through the urinary bladder, right? So you can see it's all connected. Okay. Sounds great. We've got I'm never going to remember the name of this. Oh my gosh, I need to go back and look at it. Integumentary. I don't even remember what it does. Enclose, oh right, hair, skin, and nails. Okay. Into, it's on the outside, but it's holding things inside. Like integration, integumentary system. Okay. Male reproductive system, female reproductive system. These are the last systems here. Okay. Male reproductive produces sex hormones and gametes, delivers gametes to female. Epididymis and testes. Great. Female reproductive system produces sex hormones and gametes, supports embryo/fetus until birth, produces milk for infant. I feel like that does more stuff. Mammary glands, ovaries, uterus. Okay, fantastic. We got like a decent overview. Okay. Integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular, nervous, endocrine, cardiovascular, lymphatic, respiratory, digestive, urinary, male reproductive, female reproductive system. This is huge. We're nailing this, everybody. This is for me. The organism level is the highest level of organization. I thought it was like the eco craziness or whatever that was the biggest. Okay, moving on. Wait, come on. We're turning the page. That's it. That was 1.2. We can end this one. Ending it. Ending.